guys, Miss Mickey here. It's such a beautiful day in my garden, and I thought I would like to come and share some of it with you. Can you hear the birds? You hear the birds singing? They greet me every day. They love it up in my trees. Today, what I thought we could do is plant some seeds together. I have 3 different types of seeds. These are all different colors. These will be pretty white flowers. And then here's some more different colors, but they're tiny. A lady gave these to me. This lady needed some help, and I went over to help her. And after I helped her, she said, "Would you like some seeds as a thank you?" I said yes, because I just love to work in my garden. So I have all the tools that I'm going to put on. My gloves. That was the wrong hand. Okay, I'll put on my gloves. And then I can take my little shovel and put some dirt in the pot. But I like, see my little shovel? It's cute, right? But I like to use my hands. Go right in. What do you think? You think that's good? I think that's good. I'm going to take off my glove so I can play with the seeds in my hands, because it's easier. Otherwise they get stuck on the gloves and they don't get in the dirt, and it just doesn't grow nice. So first I am going to use these pretty white ones. They're called Alyssiums. They grow really tiny. Oops. They grow really tiny like this, but they grow all over. So I'm going to just take a little bit of these, and I'm going to sprinkle them in the dirt too. And then I can take my shovel, or I can take my fingers. And like I said, I like to use my fingers better because I like to feel the dirt. And just mix them all up, press them down a little bit, and then take a little bit more of dirt and put it on top. Put it on top. And then I take my watering can and I water them in. Not a lot, because they're just baby seeds. And then I leave them in the sun, and the sun will get them all nice and warm, and I'll water them every day. And then we'll start seeing tiny little seedlings. They're called seedlings. When the seed starts to grow, it sends a little root down into the dirt. And when the root starts getting all its nourishment from the dirt, it will grow up some green stems. And that green stem eventually grows into a pretty flower. And I think it would be nice, by the time we get back to Happy Faces, maybe I'll have a pot of flowers that I can bring in and share in the classroom. It would be so fun, because there's flowers in here for Ava and for Reese and for Blake and for Eric and Dylan. Oh my goodness, a bunch of my friends. There's seeds in here for Mariah and all my little friends. All my little friends, and they're going to start growing really soon. So the next time I see you, I'll bring in my plant. Maybe I'll even paint the pot. But I'll bring in my plant and you'll see all my flowers. Okay? Have fun in the garden, guys. It's so much fun. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty, because we're washing our hands so much right now that we'll just wash the dirt right away. But have fun with the dirt. Have fun with the seeds. You can even name them if you want. Name them after your friends in your classroom. And then when they start growing, you could go, hi friends. And then maybe you can bring in your flowers when we get back to school. That'd be so much fun. I'd love to see you garden. I love you guys. I miss you. I see you real soon. Bye, guys. Bye.